Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Filmora, where we talk about everything pertaining to AI, robotics and education. And if you've not watched my videos, what are you waiting for? You need to watch every one of them because I know you find everything useful, relevant and helpful. Today I'll be talking to the product managers, I'll be talking to the project managers, and I'll be talking to stakeholders and people that are thinking of bringing in AI into their business problems. This topic is wrapped around what is happening presently. Every business owner is thinking of bringing in AI, bringing in AI in their solution, in their projects, in their product, and everyone needs to be clear that it's not everything AI can do for you. It's not everything AI can solve. It's not all problems, it's not all problems AI can solve. There are some problems that you don't even need AI. You just need just common logic. Some you just need scripts. Some of them you just need to apply a little bit of statistical analysis to solve this problem. But how can you know that your business problem needs AI? I'll be telling us 3 points or 3 reasons why you should start thinking of AI to solve that business problem at work. The first one is, you have an impactful business problem. Let me rephrase that. Do you have an impactful business problem? As I earlier stated, there are some problems that you don't need to rack your brain. There are some problems that is the solution is already there. There's some problems that you don't need to start thinking, you don't need to think of how to solve them. But if you're thinking of this problem, it must be something important. You know in the long run, solving this problem is going to have a direct impact on your business. Second thing is, the business value be quantified clearly and simply, meaning that can you make it clear? Is it something that you can pinpoint? Because sometimes the business value, there are a lot of problems. We know that in this world it's only the people that solve problems that gets the money, right? But still there are some problems that they don't have any value proposition. There's no value to it. Even solving the problem is as good as not solving a problem at all. But before you think of bringing AI into that problem, you must first check, does it have, can you quantify the value? The third thing is, you have sufficient data associated to this problem. That means if you are going to be solving a problem related to CVs or text, you need to get data with respect to that, or you need to get data that tailors to that problem. If you're going to be solving problem that has to do with pictures, you need to have the pictorial data. If you're going to be solving problem that you need numerical data. Every project manager or product manager or anyone intending to solve a problem, it should have these 3 points at the back of their mind. Thank you.